In this video, I will list Russian military aircraft and their characteristics. The Tu-160 Blackjack is a long-range supersonic strategic bomber designed for intercontinental missions. It is the largest and heaviest operational supersonic bomber in the world, featuring variable geometry wings for efficiency at different speeds, and 4 powerful engines that allow it to exceed Mach 2. Main characteristics: top speed, over 2,000 kilometers per hour, Mach 2 plus. Range, approximately 12,000 kilometers without refueling. Crew, 4 people. Large internal cargo capacity. What it can carry: long-range cruise missiles, conventional or nuclear. Conventional bombs, nuclear bombs. The Su-57 Felon is a Russian 5th-generation fighter aircraft designed for air superiority and attacks on land and sea targets. It is designed with radar stealth technologies, has super maneuverability, and can fly at supersonic speeds without afterburning. The aircraft is equipped with modern AESA radar and advanced sensor systems for simultaneous detection and tracking of multiple targets. Capabilities: long-range and close-range air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes with precision-guided weapons, carry missiles in internal compartments to maintain stealth characteristics, integration into command and control networks for modern operations. The Su-57 combines speed, maneuverability, and advanced technology to perform complex missions in modern airspace. The Su-35S is a Russian multi-role fighter aircraft of the 4++ generation, a deeply modernized version of the Su-27 family, designed for air superiority and attacks on ground and sea targets. It has 2 engines with thrust vectoring, which gives it exceptional maneuverability in close air combat. It is equipped with a powerful long-range radar and modern electronic warfare systems. Combat characteristics: maximum speed, approximately Mach 2.25, up to approximately 8 tons of weapons on external points. Armament: short, medium, and long-range air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface and air-to-ship missiles, guided and unguided bombs, internal 30mm cannon. The MiG-31BM is a modernized version of the Russian supersonic interceptor MiG-31, designed for the defense of very large airspaces and the interception of targets at long distances. It is a high-speed aircraft, capable of flying above Mach 2.8, optimized for high-altitude interceptions. The BM variant includes modernized avionics, improved radar, and expanded capability for the use of guided weapons. Combat characteristics: maximum speed, approximately Mach 2.8. Long-range radar, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously. Operation in difficult weather conditions, day and night. Armament: very long-range air-to-air missiles. The MiG-31BM specializes in intercepting bombers, reconnaissance aircraft, or other air targets at long distances, being one of the fastest operational combat aircraft. The Su-34 is a Russian ground attack and tactical bomber aircraft designed for precision strikes on land and sea targets in difficult conditions and at long ranges. It has a distinctive configuration with an armored cockpit for 2 pilots seated side by side, which improves coordination in complex missions. Combat characteristics: maximum speed, approximately Mach 1.8. Long range, with the possibility of refueling in the air. Carrying capacity of up to approximately 8 tons of weapons.
modern navigation, targeting, and electronic warfare systems. Armament: guided and unguided bombs, air-to-surface and air-to-ship missiles. The Su-34 is designed to deliver precise strikes on military infrastructure, while also having the ability to effectively defend itself in contested airspace.